Hey everyone! Back in the shop today to create this custom decal piece out of PVC using our Avid CNC machine. Our friends reached out and asked for our help with this project. It's going to go on their Cleveland Browns tailgating bus, and with the NFL season quickly approaching, we had to get this one done right away. We started out by testing the cut on a piece of plywood and making necessary adjustments. Then it was time to let the power of this machine make quick work of the carving. Creating these projects is fun, but getting to share the content with all of you is even better. Please consider subscribing to help us out as we build our channel and connect with more of you in the woodworking world. And that's a wrap. Can't wait to see these in action this tailgating season. Go Browns!